welcome back to another episode of What I Eat in a Week. So this week's video is a little bit short just because I was really busy this week, so I did order like takeout, like wings and stuff like that. But I did show you guys some fun recipes in this week's video. I am going to show you guys a quick clip of things that I bought from Trader Joe's. If you guys didn't watch my weekly vlog, I usually show you guys everything I do in my weekly vlog, so you'll see when I go to the grocery store and stuff like that. So I'll leave the card up here for you guys so you guys can go ahead and watch my weekly vlog. You get kind of more in depth of when I go shopping and stuff. But I want to show you guys a few little snacks that I picked up off of Amazon. Well, my sister actually gave me this. So you guys are asking me questions in my weekly vlog about the high key mini cookies. Now my sister tried the lemon flavor and she said the lemon flavor is gross. I have not tried this flavor yet, but I did try the peanut butter flavor, guys, and I can say that the peanut butter flavor in my opinion is actually really good. She also did try the snickerdoodle flavor, and the snickerdoodle flavor, she recommends this as well. So I have not tried these two yet, guys, so I'm going to try these two. But so far the peanut butter one in my opinion is a really nice flavored one. So I will leave a link down below for these if you're looking for like little pick-me-up snacks. And like I said, well, I didn't say, so the bag is 1 gram net carb and it's 2 servings. The bag is 2 servings, so it's like 2 net carbs for the whole entire bag, which is really good. And they're like really soft, like sugar cookies. The snickerdoodle one is good too. Wow. Should just say, like I said, the lemon one wasn't that great, but I'm gonna try it. It's like a soft cookie, like yeah, it's actually really good. The snickerdoodle and the peanut butter cookie kind of tastes a little similar. Let me cleanse my palate real quick. Alright, so this is the lemon one, guys. They look just like this. Hopefully it focuses. They look like this. They're like little soft, kind of like butter cookies in a way. That's what they kind of look like. Well, that's what they look like. So, what is she talking about? The lemon cookies taste good. This would be good if you make a cheesecake and crunch these up. I should make a cheesecake with this. The lemon flavor one would be really good if you crush it up into the cheesecake crust. That's gonna be a recipe, guys. Hold me to that. Wow, the lemon one's really good. I also got some coconut flakes, because in this episode I just showed you guys how I made coconut shrimp. And I did find this new almond flour that is 1/8 cup is only 2 net carbs. This almond flour, guys, is blanched and it's super fine, and honestly it's the best almond flour I've tried. I really like this. They do have like a recipe on the back on how to make almond brownies, but you guys know I like to make my biscuits. So because this has low net carbs, it's 3 grams of protein, 2 gram net carb, so you can really make a lot of stuff with this one. So I did show you guys a recipe this week using this. I live in a pretty gentrified area, so the bag of almond flour was $15. I wouldn't buy it regularly, but I bought it for keto just to show you guys recipes. I'll try to see if I can find a link down below for this one. The coconut flakes are keto friendly as well too, only 1 net carb, and they taste really good. They're unsweetened. You obviously could just use sauce on the side for your shrimp, so I'll show you guys that recipe. But I quickly wanted to show you guys these finds that I found, and wow, the sugar cookie, no, not sugar cookie, the snickerdoodle peanut butter and lemon taste really good. So I'm gonna thumbs that up and leave a link down below. But I just wanted to intro the video. So in the next clip I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's. They have amazing keto things, so if you're starting keto, don't worry. There are great things to kind of start your journey on keto. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so quickly I'm going to show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's. So I did get the rice cauliflower stir fry. This one I've had before. It's really good. Now my sister recently got this one. This is the first time I've seen this one. So they got the spicy Mexican style cauliflower rice. This one she said is really spicy, but very good and flavorful. I think it's 5 net carbs or 4 net carbs for 1 full cup, so that's excellent. I also got these crispy jalapenos. They're kind of like a topper. They're really crunchy. You could just put it like on a sandwich or something, or just put it on your salad. My sister said they're really good. They're like crunchy, so I picked this up. I also just got some plain butter. I got 1 avocado, some American cheese. This is for my boyfriend. I did get some turkey meatballs because my sister said that these taste really good in their keto. I also got some roasted seaweed, sea salt, and I think I told you guys I got the salmon. family's house. They're over there. I did go ahead and get my jerk chicken again, but this is from a different restaurant I got here. I also got a side of cabbage, and I got a diet Snapple. Don't try me. I can have the Snapple. It has zero sugar in it. So I'm having the Snapple, jerk chicken, and cabbage as my first meal. You mad loud. And my sister got clam eyes.